Welcome to our video on how to tell if your Amazon parrot's nails are too long. If you're a proud parrot owner and want to ensure your feathered friend is comfortable and healthy, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about the signs that your Amazon parrot's nails might be too long. If you notice that their nails are curling or if they are snagging on perches or toys, it's a clear indication that it's time for a trim. Long nails can lead to health issues for your parrot, such as discomfort while walking or perching, and even potential injuries. It's essential to keep their nails at a manageable length to ensure their well-being. To care for your Amazon parrot's nails, consider regular nail trims, providing appropriate perches that help wear down the nails naturally, and monitoring their nail length frequently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on keeping your parrot happy and healthy.